Hello YouTube. Today we're going to talk about some additions and changes that I've made to my cook set recently. I've made some changes to my cook set, as I'm always doing, tweaking and looking for new things and playing around and running into problems and trying to find solutions. Now, one thing that we've recently added to my kit is these little legs, which I got from a gentleman on Facebook who was making these. And I'll put some information in the description below on where you can get these, but they're 3D printed legs that go on the bottom of the tank. And they go on there real nice and easy and keep your tank from tipping over. And they're a lot lighter than the ones that you normally see for these. Usually those things weigh quite a bit. And these are only like a few grams total. I think this set of 3 is like 3.7 grams. So it lightens things up a bit. Another thing I was running into an issue of is that I needed something other than my pot to put things in. Like if I was making some salsa or cheese dip or something, or some sort of, or needed an additional cup, how would I do it and how would I put it in my kit? Well, I come across one of these, which is made by Sea to Summit. It's a little plastic cup that pops out, and it's exactly 1 cup. So it also doubles as a measuring cup, because most freeze-dried meals require a cup of water or which is 8 ounces, or they require 2 cups of water, which is 16 ounces. So this is just a perfect size. It fits in the bottom of my pot, as so, and it's great. But I highly recommend these. Are made by, it's called the X Cup, and it's by Sea to Summit. You can get these just about anywhere that outdoor stuff is sold, or anybody that sells Sea to Summit brand stuff. Another thing I added was I picked up some bottles from a company called Lightsmith, and these little squeeze bottles, and I can put things like soy sauce, hot sauce, and a little bit of olive oil. And as you know, on the trail, sometimes if you do any fishing or anything, you want to fry something, you need a little oil. Also, oil is good to add to food, to add calories, and give a little taste improvement as well. I also have soy sauce, which anybody that's ever eaten the Mountain House teriyaki chicken or some of their rice dishes, this really goes good with it. But those are some of the things I've recently changed. I still use the VRS 3000 stove. Still got my little salt and pepper shaker thing. This is refillable. You can pick these up on Amazon for a couple bucks. And they come with some spices, but you can refill them with whatever you want. Usually I just use the salt and pepper on there. I'm probably gonna, I don't use the others hardly ever, so I'll probably dump those and put something different in them. And I've got my cheese grater, which is made by Ready Man. They sell it as a tender scraper, but it makes an excellent cheese grater. And if you got those hard cheeses and you're making the Mountain House chicken fajita bowl, with some tortilla wraps and stuff, it's nice to be able to grate that hard cheese, put in there. This bowl makes great bowl to make salsa in. If you got some freeze-dried salsa, Oops, wind blew away my bag. But anyway, that's basically it. The changes that I've made, and you know, the whole kit's pretty light, and sometimes I don't bring certain things if I don't need them. Other times I'll bring stuff. I also have a titanium plate that I occasionally bring to fry things in and so forth. But if I don't need it, I don't bring it. Anyway, thank you, and talk with you later.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.